Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the date and time settings on Windows 10 OS. Right here we can see that the time is incorrect. In my case it is 3:46 p.m. December 27th, 2021. So we want to change that. Right click, go all the way to the top, press adjust date and time. You click on that. Right here you can see that by default it is set to automatically change to the correct time and time zone as well. And in my case this is incorrect. I am in Eastern time right now, and even pressing sync won't fix the issue. It's still 12:47 p.m. It assumes that I'm in Pacific. So what you do is this. We want to leave a set time automatically on, but we want to turn set time zone automatically off because it's guessing my location incorrectly. So what you want to do, you want to click on time zone and choose your correct time zone. In my case, Eastern time. Right there. And if you look right here, it's set correctly. 3:48 p.m. And another thing you can do, if your region observes a daylight saving time, leave this on. It will adjust appropriately. And that's it.